Good morning. Whew. Guten Morgen. Magandang umaga. Bonjour. Oh man. So, oh, you can see my shadow. Creepy. I finished work today and it was like 84 and it's so humid. But I really needed to get these blueberry bushes in the ground. It's gonna rain tomorrow, I think. So it was important for me to get these in rather than them staying in my house in pots. So when I do yard work, I wear pants, long sleeve, because the deer flies are really bad, and I have a hat with a black hairnet on, and I think a deer fly found me. And so I sweat profusely where, oh, you can see my shadow, what a weird looking. So I was sweating so terribly that it was getting in my eyeballs, but I was like, I gotta get this done, and I don't have a wheelbarrow yet. And there's the other one, and this friggin' deer fly. I don't have a wheelbarrow yet, but it's on my list of things to get. I've only lived in this house for 3 years. It will be 3 years in July, and my homestead is getting nicer and nicer. Those two things are potato towers. You can see next to it my ex-husband rototilled an area for me to plant some more vegetables, and the potato towers up here, one of the potato towers have 24 plants, so I'd say that's pretty darn successful. So a lot of hard work. It's like a part-time job just maintaining this area, and I mowed the lawn. I spent 3 hours yesterday. There's my little dog. Hey bud, what you doing? So this is where I have my hammock set up, and I have another raised bed up here with garlic. Look how tall my garlic's getting. Oh, and then I keep all the wildflowers. So that's it. Just wanted to share my little piece of peaceful haven here. I hope everyone is doing well. Oh, look at that. Let me zoom in. Can I zoom in? Are you relaxing? Huh? Well, love you guys. God bless.